Whew, there we go. This was the one with that 10-foot high bush. Those two bushes I replanted, but all right, let's see if my strap is gonna work here. It's a pretty view anyways. Well, we'll see how much I can get done. All right, miraculously, I got the planter off. I cleared out a spot here by the shop to, the reason I haven't lowered the boom is because it's really sticky if I bump it. So I'm gonna set it right in here, welder, and then I'll lower it. Wasn't bad that time. Well, I'm already seeing I'm going to be pretty much rained out. Even without the rain. And it's not really that wide up here yet. So I'll take a couple of bucks. I mean, I'm sinking. I'm already 4 or 5 inches sunk over here. Around with, you know, I can't go off of the edge either way. Well, I know it can go 10 foot. I don't know if I maxed it yet, but at least they go 10 foot high. Let's see how it goes.